Hello, baby boss. Look at you. You can barely walk, huh? You still learning? Oh, yeah. You're a fresh one. So gorgeous.
I think that was filming that entire... Okay, we're good.
These are the things nobody talks about. Leaving the camera running.
Yeah, we just found out I left the camera running for, I don't know how long. All right.
Back to business.
This bird is at 40 yards. Oh, missed. Okay, he flew away. See, that's the other thing that people don't talk about. All that time for a setup shot, you miss. Now you might not use that footage at all. Oh, crushed him! Dude, I think you moved your shoulder at the last second and lined me perfectly up with him. Here, stay there, don't move. I'm shooting off Jake's shoulder right now. It just took off. All right. Oh, crushed it.
This thing's a laser, man. Freaking laser.
Oh. Hit the post right in
see
front.
the hole.
Oh, this is a beautiful shot. Oh, oh, you are so dead. I'm gonna even try and shoot him in the head again. Oh, crushed him.
Double dead.
Oh, they all flew. The little one's still there though. Watch, he's gonna lick Jake's leg. Did you get him?
Smoked him.
Smoked him?
Oh yeah, thread the needle on that one.
Nice. Woo. All right, I handed the gun off to Jake. There's a whole group of them down on this telephone pole area right there. 110 yards away. I said, I don't want to walk down that far, and I know Jake loves taking long shots. So let's see if he can pull it off. I'll just film you, buddy, and you just, you know, tell me if you hit it.
Nope, just went under him.
Just under?
I need to do more holdover than that.
Oh, crushed him. Oh, crushed him. All right, Jake's going for a pigeon on the light fixture. Here, hold. Oh, I want to catch him. I want to catch him. All right, he's down. He's down in here with the house. I can't see where he landed. He probably landed over where the sleeping ones are and died there. Dude, nice shot, buddy.
I can never freehand this easily. The weight of this scope is so minuscule that I'm super steady. I'm hitting shots I've never been able to hit before. This is really, really, really impressive.
So yes, I know guys, they gave me the scope for free. So you might be thinking we're just saying it to appease the overlords at Vector to get in their good graces, but no, this is genuine. I really like it. It is super awesome. 100% genuine.
Oh,
another one.
65. Dial it in back for 35.
Yeah.
Ooh.
crushed it. Dude, get a full scope of how far that was. I mean, it was only 40, and we've taken longer shots, but this thing is amazing. Improvised farm shooting. We needed a rest here, grabbed the tire. Now Jake's gonna rock it.
Oh, now we got a good one.
30?
Yep, I'm dialing it down.
Okay, smoke him.
Got him.
Nice, nice. There's still another one on the post in there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, they're humping,
Yeah.
Don't shoot.
Seriously? Can't show this.
All right.
PG-13.
All right, we got some birds in this barn area here. We're trying to shoot. We didn't have a rest. I said, hey, grab the tire.
PRS style.
Yeah, Jake keeps yelling PRS style. This is just farm shooting though. You go on whatever you can. I've shot on every layer of those concrete blocks. I've shot off that concrete block. I've shot off that cow's back, believe it or not. Okay, not really. I've shot off Jake's shoulder today. I don't even know where it landed, but it's dead. Oh, I see it. Landed right there. And I think you got a real good shot for a double here. Here, want to go off my shoulder?
See how I feel here.
All right, you got some cows coming to say hello. Keep your head down. Oh, crushed him, dude. Oh, crushed him, dude.
Right now, 35. That sounded like a hit.
Oh yeah, it killed it. It hammered it. Oh, hold up. I had to aim a little low so I didn't hit the tin on that one.
Still got him.
Done. Done. So dead. So very dead.
Right over. Right over. Wow, I took the feathers right off of his back. He's alive. He's not even hurt.
You can just hold it like that. All right, guys, we had a great. Oh, maybe.
Good, swap spots.
Yeah, perfect. Good idea. Good idea. Guys, we had an amazing day. I do love this scope, and I don't really normally endorse things. If you get this, you will not regret it. I love it. All in all, we had a great day. Shot a lot of birds, a lot of doubles, more doubles than I think we've ever had before.
A lot of doubles today.
Now, the only thing that can make this video even more perfect is if we had a cat to feed this to, but I don't know. We'll try. And guys, if you're interested in this scope, head on over to vectoroptics.com. You can see all about it, see the other options they have, but it's truly amazing. Check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. I didn't think I would be able to find a cat this quick, but we actually did. Well, that could have gone better. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.